Kublai Pibaro, Nagadudarshan can rush long a Priyan Subhapi Saisian, Chaganika program, Kabawan Japi Malagas new blade Nakabantaki Kubor like gum, but Kikubor like gum Jaganika Teo, Kilong Kumne. Ka NBCC India Limited ka khon online application na ki candidate ki badane ko mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban Punjab ye ki post ki balaj bat ki post ki long ka post deputy project manager electrical E2 shiphotli ki post handrewtli ki post ki long unreserved ka we na ka banda ki SC ar na ka banda ki OBC but ka we ka post na ka banda ki economically weaker section kerta ka babiang hapo ka pratarik ukalalin ko January 2024 kan long hadu lai pulais nem Kajingyo kan long san po hajar hado shilak 100,000 tingka. Kiba apply kiri ban long kiba lapan dep ya ka full time degree haka electrical engineering lani ka kerdan ka bijaring kat na ki government recognized university lani institution bomdunai kan 100%. Ka post management trainee civil E1 sabhotali ki post khanyotali ki post kilang unreserved hanriu na kabantay ki SC line na kabantay ki ST shipho na kabantay ki OBC but southly ki post na kabantay ki economically weaker section kerta ka babiang hapo ka pratari ukalaling ko January 2024 kanlong hapo ka arpo kundai snem ka jingyo kanlong sabho hajar hado chilak sabho hajar tingka Don ka ki candidate ki balapan dep ya ka full-time degree ha ka civil engineering lani ka kardan ka biyaring kat na ki government recognized university lani institution bomdunay kan 100%. Ka post management trainee electrical E1 kat santli ki post hinyawtli ki post kilang unreserved ar na kabantay ki SC kaway na kabantay ki ST saw na kabantay ki OBC but kaway na kabantay ki economically weaker section. Kerta ka babiang hapo ka pratrik ukalaling ko January 2024 kan long hapo ka arpo kundai snem ka jingyo kan long sapo hajar hadu shilak sapo hajar tingka kiba apply ki deban long ki bala pendep ka full time degree ha ka electrical engineering lani ka kerdan ka biyaring kat na ki government recognized university lani institution bomdunay kan 100%. Ka post project manager civil E3 kawe ka post na kabanta ki PWBD hearing handicap kawe ka post kerta ka babiang kan long sa punyaw snem na kabanta ki general but economically weaker section sanpo snem na kabanta ki OBC NCL but sanpo R snem na kabanta ki SC but ST kajingyo kan long 100,000 hado shilak prapo hajar tingka ki candidate ki deban long ki bala pendep ka full time degree ha ka civil engineering lani ka kardan ka biyaring kad na ki government recognized university lani institution bomdunay ka 100%. Ka post office assistant stenographer W3 tangkawe ka post na kabantay ki OBC NCL kerta ka babiyang hapo ka santrik uklaling ko January 2024 kan long arpo prasnem ka jingyo kan long arpo saw hajar rius pa sa photing ka kiba apply ki deban long ki graduate na ki no ki lanjing puli but ki bas tat ban type ha contain hindi kumba shispa lane sa pho contain ha ka shiminit ka post office assistant stenographer W3 lightly ki post na kabantay ki OBC NCL kerta ka babiang hapo ka pratrik uklaling ko January 2024 kan long arpo sansnem ki candidate ki bala pendep graduation ki laban apply but don kamru ya ka typing speed ha ka contain pareng ko manyo pho lane live san contain ha ka shiminit but nyo pho lane live pho contain ha ka shiminit ha ka contain hindi ki applicant kin habro ban siwe ka application fee but ka application fee ka shongdor kumni shi hajar tingka na ka banta ka post deputy project manager Sanspat tingka na ka banta ka post management trainee but na ka banta ki backlog post ki candidate kimdan kamban siw ki candidate SC ST PWD but departmental candidates kimdan kamban siw ka application fee ki applicant baro can have an apply online da ka balet ka website www.nbccindia.com ka tarik khadu ban register online kan long ha ka pratrik ukalaling ko January 2024 matip kambanya let ka website www.nbccindia.com Ka Agriculture Insurance Company AIC of India Limited ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kardan jing puli ban Punjabi ki post ki balat bat ki post ki long ka post management trainee live hoteli ki post kerta ka babiang hapo ka shitrik unai wing ahada arpo way na ka banta ki post hapo ka management trainee kan long hapadeng ka arpo way but live post nem bat kerta penjalan ka besan snem on preng tanah ka banta ki SC but ST live snem na ka banta ki OBC but she post snem na ka banta ki PWD candidate ki post wise vacancy ka long ka post management trainee agriculture science Kiba apply ki deban long kiba lapandep eka BAC Agriculture lani BAC Horticulture lani BE lani BTech haka Agricultural Engineering lani ki candidate kiba lapandep eka MSc Agriculture ru ki laban apply but don kam eka overall 60% but tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Kapos Management Trainee Information Technology don kam ki candidate kiba lapandep eka BE lani BTech Computer Science lani IT Dene ki balaban apply ki dedo ki candidate ki balaban dep eke MCA Masters in Computer Science bom tu na ikan 100% but don kam tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Kapos Management Trainee Legal kino ki candidate ki balaban dep eke graduation haka line law bom tu na ikan 100% ki laban apply but don kam tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Kapos Management Trainee Accounts ki ba apply ki deban long Kibala pendep eka BCom degree bam dunai kan 100% but don kam tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Dan ki candidate kibala pendep eka MCom degree bam dunai kan 100% ru ki laban apply but don kam tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Kibala laban apply ki deru ki chartered accountant ICAI, ki company secretary ICSI, ki cost and management accountant the Institute of Cost Accountant of India. Dine ki applicant ki balapan dep yeka MBA finance second 100% bom dunai ka arts nemru ki laban apply but don kam tang 100% na ki SC but ST. Kapos Hindi officer kawe kapos kerta ka babiang hapo ka shitrik unai wing araja arpaway kan long hapdeng ka arpaway but lai post nem but kerta penjalan ka basan snem on priang tanah ka bentai ki SC but ST lai snem na ka bentai ki OBC but she post nem na ka bentai ki PWD candidates. Kiba apply ki deban long ki balapan dep eka postgraduate master's degree ha ka Hindi lani ki candidate ki balapan dep eka Hindi translation lemat ka English kum ka way na ki subject ha ka degree level ru ki laban apply lani ki candidate ki balapan dep eka postgraduate master's degree ha ka English lemat ka Hindi kum ka way na ki subject ha ka degree level ru ki laban apply Lani ki balaban apply ki dedo ki candidate ki balaban dep eka postgraduate master's degree haka Sanskrit lamat ka English but Hindi kum ki subjects haka degree level ka jangki. Don kam ka overall 60% but tang 100% na ki SC but ST candidate. Ki applicant baro kin habro ban siyo ka application fee ka basyong dor 6,000 tingka but tang arts pa tingka na ka bantay ki SC but ST. Ki applicant kin haban apply tang lang ba ka online mode. Katarik khatdu men register online kan long ha ka khatlai trik no pra December ahaja arpaway madip company but ban apply online let check our website www.aicofindia.com Ka National Health Mission NHM ka code application na ki nong shang shnong jang jala Meghalaya man pendap ye ka post support contract basis ka post kalong ka post DRBT coordinator ka we ka post posting kalong ha Directorate of Health Service Meghalaya Shillong ki ba apply ki deban long ki bala pendap ka MBBS degree na ki institution bala recognize ka MCI badro ki bala pendap ka compulsory rotatory internship don kam ro ka experience ha ka NTEP lani public health Ankam biang lalai ki applicant ki long ki bala pendep eka diploma lani MD ha ka public health lani community health administration CHA but tuberculosis and chest disease. But ankam ailat eki candidate ki badan eka experience ha ka PMDT but ki banang but dep ha ki kam computer. Ki candidate ki badan eka mon baga kadan jing puli kin happen puli pinya eka official notification but kin happen apply link baga Google form link. Katarik khatdo ban prang ka application kan long ha ka khat art rego no pra December aja arpaway. Ka Union Public Service Commission UPSC ka panbanaya ka khubor lat kam ling ba ka advertisement number UPSC 17/2021 baga khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon baga kadan jing puli ban pandap ya ki post ki balat bat ki post ki long ka post professor control system ka we ka post Kapos Associate Professor Computer Science Kawe Kapos, Kapos Associate Professor Electrical Engineering Kawe Kapos, Kapos Associate Professor Electronics and Communication Kawe Kapos, Kapos Associate Professor Mechanical Engineering Artali Kapos, Kapos Associate Professor Metallurgy Lani Production Engineering Kawe Kapos, but Kaposing nakabanta Kapos Professor but Associate Professor Kanlongha Integrated Headquarters, Directorate of Civilian Personnel, Ministry of Defence. But post tutor in College of Nursing, her Lady Harding Medical College and Srimati Sucheta Kriplani Hospital, New Delhi, Directorate General of Health Service, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ka way ka post. Ki applicant can have COA ka application fee ka basyong dotang arposanting ka, but eka pisa ki candidate ki laban siyo cash lini siyo online link baka State Bank of India. Ki candidate SC, ST, PWBD, but ki candidate kan thay kim don kaban COA ka application fee. Katarik kado ban register online kan long haga khanyo trego no pra December ar paway matip kham binyabat ban apply online let check our website www.upaconline.nic.in. Ka North Eastern Council Secretariat Shillong ka call application na ki candidate man Punjab ye ka post pa contract basis na ka banta ka project ka bakurteng Project Formulation and Quality Management PFQM Cell ha NEC ka post consultant civil ka way ka posting ka long ha NEC Secretariat Nongrem Hills Shillong kerta ka babyang ha po ka shitri uklaling ko January aja arpaway ka long hapring ka arpusan bat saupusan snem bat kerta penjalan ka basan snem on pliang tanah ka banta ki SC bat ST ka jingyo ka long saupusan hajar tingka don ka ki candidate ki bala pendep BE lene BTech lene BSc Engineering Civil lene AMI India degree lene ki candidate ki bala pendep ME lene MTech lene MSc Engineering de ki recognized institution lene university ru ki laban apply. On kambyang na ki applicant ki long ki bala pendep eka PG diploma ha ka project management na ki recognized institution. Ki banang batip spangi ka monitoring and evaluation jang ki central government schemes and projects bumdunay ka sansnem. Kibatib banya ashpanga central government but state government projects, lane schemes, lane programs, project formulation, lane planning, implementation, guidelines, monitoring and evaluation, methodologies, preparation of findings reports bat QAD. Ki applicant ki dedu uban long ki banang batib shpangi kam computer kamtam haka bede bat ka MS Word, Excel but PowerPoint presentation. On kam aylat ki candidate ki badane ka research experience but ki bala permit and publish ki code ye ka application ka pura ki candidate can have pen poisha deputy secretary admin room number 405 NEC Secretariat Nongrem Hills Shillong pin code Nyokunda Lai not lie but ka tarik khaddo un penge ka application ka long haga khat south rego no pra December ahaja arpaway.
Parlok nong pet kito kilong ki kubolat kam hakani kapor bak nganay kermen banwan ra syapi ki kubolat kam hakani katayo ka bansawan nakadudarshin kana shlong ai kuble ka pi katayo ka bhai pi baro